How to add Netflix to your Discord status. So the first step that we need to do is of course open any browser. For this one, I'll be using Google Chrome. After that, click on the search bar and type in premid.app/downloads. In this page, add the extension that is applicable to the browser that you are using. After it's added, you need to go back and download the app that is compatible with your operating system. Open the file after it's done downloading and just click agree on everything until the installation is finished. After that, you can go back to your browser and go to your extensions. Click the PreMiD extension, and here you can toggle on and off all the apps you want to be seen running on your Discord activity. So what you want to do is of course turn on the toggle for Netflix, and take note that you need the extension installed on the same browser where you'll be watching Netflix. So that is how to add Netflix to your Discord status. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.